I've been testing wheels and trucks to find the perfect fit for Locker Board. My favorite trucks and wheels are blacksmith trucks, acid wheels, 56s. The wheels work in the park and the street. Let me show you how. It's easier to do tricks on a Locker Board than a normal skateboard. It's so small that it flips way faster.